Hey everyone! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we explore the wonders of our universe. Today I'm diving into the electrifying world of solar storms and their surprising effects on us humans. These cosmic events are more than just fascinating phenomena, they have real-world impacts that might surprise you. Yep, you heard that right. Those beautiful, awe-inspiring northern lights, they're not just pretty lights in the sky, they're caused by the same stuff that can mess with our lives in more ways than you might think. These lights are a visible reminder of the sun's powerful influence on our planet. First off, what exactly is a solar storm? It's not just a random burst of energy. Imagine the sun throwing a massive temper tantrum. These storms are bursts of energy and charged particles ejected from the sun's surface, often during solar flares or coronal mass ejections. These storms are bursts of energy and charged particles ejected from the sun's surface. They travel through space and can reach Earth in a matter of hours or days, depending on their speed. When these particles slam into Earth's magnetic field, we get geomagnetic storms. These storms can cause a variety of effects, both beautiful and disruptive. So, how does this cosmic chaos affect us? It's not just about pretty lights in the sky. Well, let's start with the obvious. Technology. Our modern world relies heavily on satellites and communication networks. Solar storms can wreak havoc on our satellites, disrupting GPS, communication networks, and even causing power outages. This can lead to significant disruptions in our daily lives. Remember the Quebec blackout of 1989? That was caused by a solar storm. Crazy, right? It left millions without power for hours. But here's something even more intriguing. Solar storms can affect your body too. Yes, you heard that right. Solar storms can affect your body too. High-altitude flights, especially over polar routes, expose passengers to increased radiation levels during solar storms. High-altitude flights, especially over polar routes, expose passengers to increased radiation levels during solar storms. This is a concern for frequent flyers and airline crew. Pilots and frequent flyers are at a higher risk. They are exposed to higher levels of radiation, which can have long-term health effects. It's like a mini cosmic X-ray. This increased exposure can be particularly concerning for those who spend a lot of time in the air. For astronauts, the stakes are even higher. They are outside the protective shield of Earth's atmosphere. Solar radiation can damage their DNA, increase cancer risks, and mess with their central nervous system. This is why space agencies take solar activity very seriously. NASA and other space agencies closely monitor solar activity to protect their crews. They have protocols in place to minimize exposure during solar storms, and it doesn't stop there. The effects of solar storms might extend to our mental and emotional well-being. Some studies suggest that geomagnetic storms might even affect our mood and behavior. This is an area of ongoing research. There's ongoing research into whether these storms can disrupt human biological rhythms or even trigger mental health issues. It's a fascinating field of study. It's fascinating, but still a bit of a mystery. Scientists are working hard to understand these connections. So, should you be worried? Not really. For most of us, the effects are minimal. Most of us are safely shielded by Earth's atmosphere and magnetic field. These natural barriers protect us from the worst of the solar storm's effects. But understanding these solar tempests helps us prepare and protect our technology, our explorers, and maybe even our mood. Knowledge is power, and being aware of these phenomena can help us mitigate their impacts. Next time you see the northern lights, remember, you're witnessing the awesome power of the sun and its reach all the way down to us. It's a beautiful reminder of our connection to the cosmos. If you enjoyed this deep dive into solar storms, hit that like button, subscribe for more cosmic content, and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay curious, stay cosmic. Until next time, keep looking up.